I think you are always trying to absorb what is going on where it really hits the road, where that seeing people driving cars. I think a lot, I was thinking back today, is I think I like that even as a kid. I remember reading Henry V, and he goes and talks to the troops the day before the battle. How are they feeling? And getting insights from them. Or I remember, and then I didn't remember until many years later when I moved to Russia, Peter the Great going to Netherlands to learn shipbuilding and these practices of tooling and learning. Somehow there's being close to where it is happening gives you new and additional insight.
I would agree. But I also know that is a leadership choice that you make. I think many leaders struggle with making the decision to spend time to do that, because a leader in the auto industry, as you well know, has got 1,000,001 different things that they need to work on. And you have to make that choice. You have to make it a priority to go out and meet with your people or meet with the customer. And that takes a toll on you personally. You're traveling, but it's a decision that you have to make. How do you make that decision between balancing all the stuff that you have to do in the office, if you will, and then spending time with the people and the customers?
I think definitely it's an investment.
Yeah.
That what's too little, too less. I'm not sure I could exactly articulate that very well, but there is a need. And many, many times I like to, which also costs more money. It's money as well, because a lot of us have travel restrictions. But
yes.
I also like to bring members of other teams. I would go to the manufacturing plant in Kansas City and I'd bring members of the marketing team. Hey, so you can see firsthand the complexity that you're bringing to the product and how it affects the guy on the line, which I learned another one when I did one day on the line when I was running Ford Argentina. I spent a day on the line working on Rangers, and you get a real appreciation for what complexity on the line is if you go and see it and hear some of the problems it's causing. So I like to bring team members from different functions along. I bring the finance guy, and we go out and meet a fleet customer. So it's part of the training and education process, as well as the insight gathering about what's working for the customer, the dealer, the stakeholder, whoever it is, to see what's broken that you're just not going to get in the office. You can't be blind.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it is something that people struggle with. And I love it when I see people who are out there where the rubber meets the road, but also then snapping that photo, putting it on LinkedIn, having that social media presence. How did you do that? I mean, when I started to work with social media, I was afraid to put anything on LinkedIn. I was afraid to post. I was afraid to comment. And now, if you're connected with me for more than a day on LinkedIn, you're probably sick to death to see my face and I'm posting. But there was a fear there in the beginning. But how did you start to do that? When did you think, yeah, this is a good idea to do this?
Well, I think I took a lot of pictures all along the way on these different activities, like this working on day on the line of the Ranger. I have pictures of that, or visiting this dealer. So I keep a lot of these people because the people are part of what makes the job interesting as well. And I have rules in my mind of what I put on LinkedIn. First, it needs to be business. Nobody needs, I'm going to the dentist. I don't share my family because they would be uncomfortable. And I just wanted to celebrate what we were doing and trying to reach more people. Could be in my team, could be the customers, the dealers. It's a great place to recognize great work, winning an award. So the opportunity to share with more people beyond the people I see every day, to me, to show what our values are about, what we're trying to be as a business strategically, what we're trying to be as people. And I like to share a little bit with myself, even when I'm sharing a little bit like computer games or something. I want to link that to the business side as well, where possible.